Messenger angel. Nathan or Jake? Martez. It's where Martin gets his name from. Surname, Martez Swain. 83rd major eruption in this active phase of Wyoming Steamboat Geyser. That's the next one. Martin Honeybee. An interval of 6 days, 7 hours, 12 minutes. Brings us to 1:37 a.m. Mountain Standard Time on Thursday, 30th of January 2020. And today's Tuesday, the 28th. Somewhere out there, there's a fire which flared up yesterday. I think I can see a bit of smoke amongst the haze and the cloud, but it's hard to tell. I think it's somewhere over there. Messenger angel. The omen of Damien. Tropical cyclone Damien. He's the omen for Danny. Major hurricane Danny. So Australia's severe tropical cyclone Damien, tame, to tame. That's what Damien means, to tame. Well, Damien is the omen, like the boy from the movie, The Omen. Damien, the cyclone, severe tropical cyclone Damien. He's the omen for major hurricane Danny. America is going to get hit by Danny in 2021.